Up at 7:30 a.m. I always wake up at 7:30 a.m. Wake up. I get up 7:40. When I wake up, I think good for the new day. I take a shower at 8 a.m. I have breakfast at 8:30. I brush my teeth at 9. I have 2 eggs with arepa for breakfast every day. Bed at 9:10. I get dressed at 9:30. I go to work at 10. At 11 and I arrive at my favorite hot dog store. I cook at 6 p.m. I do my homework at 7 p.m. I return home at 5:30 p.m. I love to make my lunch every day. I have to clean the house every day. I exercise at 8:30 p.m. Doing my exercise routine is a fun time. At 9:30 p.m. I start studying. I read a book at 20:30 a.m. Before going to sleep, I always enjoy a good book. I go to bed at 1 a.m. At 1